as per personnel ng NLEX, pwede kaming magpapalit sa tabang and that is for free. So let's go! Alright guys, we're almost reaching our destination. Papunta na kami ng Tabang Toll Plaza and we're going to exit in the few kilometers. There you are. Almost reached. So kung kapag kayo nasira yung RFID nyo, you can go here for free. Kami ay i-exit na po. Going to Tabang.
Umulan pa nga.
So, dito na kami magpapa-install ng panibagong RFID. At ilalagay namin siya sa may headlight. Or sa may... Alright! So, welcome back again guys! Lalakad kami papunta doon sa customer service para magpapapalit ng RFID. Okay. Alright guys, we are now back to Manila. Kakalagay lang po ng bago naming RFID. Sa pagkahaba-haba